Drippin' sauce, drippin' sauce, drippin' sauce, Saturday, Saturday, drippin' drip. All right, today on Sauce Saturday, we're gonna be making bacon mayonnaise sauce. All right, so first of all, you're gonna need some bacon pieces. Right here, I have Applewood smoked flavor bacon bits, and then right here I have some Kraft real mayonnaise or mayo. All right, so first of all, I'm gonna take the bacon and put some bacon within the bowl. And then I'm going to take some mayonnaise, and then I'm going to put it in the bowl, and then I'm just going to mix it up like this until it's to a nice consistency. Like that. And that's how you make bacon mayonnaise sauce. Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce.